pre-loaded year. Plan your year before it controls you. Before it controls you. What it means is, it's a wonderful concept, right? What will happen is, the year is going to be completed. At the end of the year, what we achieved or what great things we did in the last year means we won't see any bigger surprises kind of thing. Like multiple years got completed with our routine work. Correct, right? So, multiple years got completed with our daily routine work only. Years are going to be completed with our daily routine work. At the end of the year, what I achieved, what thing I achieved in this year means nothing. Sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times, it may be empty. Correct, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So we should not feel like that. So there is a solution there. What you require to do is, okay, just 10 years ahead, 10x growth, what you require. Better to plan, bigger things in your life. I told right in the last session, dream big. How much big you are going to think, how much bigger you are going to dream, the same life you are going to get. The same life you are going to get. So think big. The same life by default you are going to get. Okay. Suppose your position is X. Don't try for 2x or 3x. Try for 10x. Okay. Need not be immediately. Long term. So 10 years ahead, where you want to be. Okay. Now divide that 10x into small parts. This year, I'm going to do this one. Whether you are going to reach or not, forget about that. But this year, I'm planning to do this. This is my main goal of this year. This is the next goal in the next 3 years. That is the next goal in the next 5 years. Then obviously, my 10x, I'm going to reach within 10 years. Like you should have some pre-loaded, okay, idea about your life. Compulsory you should have. Okay. So that what is the biggest advantage we are going to get with that? So with the bigger things in your mind, the advantage here is very simple, sir. Automatically, you are going to concentrate on those bigger activities unknowingly or knowingly. Automatically, you are going to concentrate on bigger things, either knowingly or unknowingly. Automatically, it's going to be happen. Remember that.